What's up, YouTube? This is Joe with Ink&Iron. Today I'm cleaning out my Leatherman Surge. I took it to work this week and managed to finally break free the factory Loctite. So these are, I think it was a T10. Let me make sure while I explain what I did. So this is a free spinning pivot. So if you don't work both sides of it at once, it won't come free. And the other thing about the Leatherman Surge is that it comes with an industrial grade Loctite that is binding the pivot together. So you will have to heat it up. I took a heat gun, right? I had this in a little holder for me. Used the heat gun to heat both sides of these pivot screws. And then, since I didn't have to hold it, secured, oops, that end is broken. This one's better. Secure one in there. And one over here, and again these are T10, and then you twist them in opposite directions counterclockwise and they start to come apart. So all four of these pivot points are loosened up already. I am just going to break them free one at a time, make note of the parts as I go. I have a little magnetic tray there to catch all my hardware. And then I'm going to toss them in this little old salad tub, take a steel brush and mineral spirits, clean them up. Basically I'm just trying to get rid of excess black because I have noticed it shedding black over the years. So I just want to, get a whole bunch done while I can, and hopefully we'll end up with something that's nice and clean and still functions. The reason I'm not worried about taking this coating off is that everybody online says that these stainless steel tools are smoother, like a lot. And I've always wondered after, it's been like 6 or 7 years with this tool, why it wasn't loosening up. Like even keeping it lubricated and using it every single day, it just stayed stiff. So I'm hoping the action improves a little bit. A quick observation while I'm cleaning. So the combination of the mineral spirits and the scrubbing is creating a lighter, more gray finish. So you can see the darker area over here where it hides away in the handle because I was scrubbing the outside. And yeah, I think you can see that difference there. You get a much lighter finish after the brushing. So this is probably going to look pretty dang good by the time I'm done with this. Alright, let's keep scrubbing. Oh, and side note, if you have seen my Surge in other videos, you'll know that it had like a blue-gray speckled contamination on it. That was actually a wood stain I had gotten on there years ago. And this solvent wash has actually removed it, as you can see. So this is several hours later. Took off this handle, which contained the scissors and the serrated blade, and I found some rust. Check that out. Let's see if I can't expose for it a little better. Yeah, not great. I was expecting to find some rust, but it's even on the pivot hardware and a little bit on the scissors. So yeah, and all I'm doing to alleviate this is the steel brush. Focus. There we go. So this is just mineral spirits down in here. You can see all this crap that I've gotten off. And yeah, I'm just going to do it like this. Just brush it against the bottom. Come on, focus. There we go. So, you can see that takes off the rust pretty easily and leaves us with a nice stone-washed looking finish. Alright, I'm going to keep going.